back to my channel. If you are new to my channel and happen to stumble by, I'm your girl Bella, and I would totally love if you hit that subscribe button down below and click on the little bell to be notified for all new videos. Hi guys, how's it going? How's it going? Are you guys having a great day? It is Friday, the sun is out, it's a beautiful day, and I'm over here doing what? A collab. I never do collabs. I never do them because they are a lot of work and they don't always fit into my schedule. But when my two girlfriends posted this, I was like, oh no, I have got to join in the fun. First of all, let me tell you about my friends. The first one is my Cajun sister from another Miss Kristi. Oh my God, you will love her. I'm going to leave her channel link down below and her channel name right here. You'll love her. Go see Kristi. Go say hi to her. And Miss Antoinette, who is a Canadian, who is also my good friend. I'm going to leave her channel down here, linked here and down below in the description box. I really urge you all to go and see my friends because they are amazing. I just love them. I love them to death. This is the best part of YouTube. You get all these great friends. Okay, I'm going to show you what I'm going to use. So we're going to put that clip in right here. I'm just going to show you what you need. You need some hot glue. I'm going to use a pre-made bow, some extra little ribbon, this adorable little ornament from Walmart, some picks that I got from Hobby Lobby, and a wreath form from Walmart. Okay, so you saw that I'm going to use this pre-made bow. It's from Michael's. It's this red and white candy theme ribbon. I fluffed it out a little bit. This one is from last year. I got it in a $4 grab bag. And I keep telling you guys, end of Christmas sales are the best time to get it. Okay, I'm going to try and film this. I'm going to put this ribbon on the side of my wreath form. I'm going to try and point the camera down so we can do that. I'm going to just attach the ribbon while we speak. And let me give you an idea of where I'm going with this. This wreath is for my kitchen. And if you're new to my channel and have never been by and don't know anything about me, this year I'm doing a kind of Mrs. Claus's kitchen, which Mrs. Claus to me means cookies, candies, gingerbread man, candy canes, you name it, a little bit of nostalgia, lots of fun, lots of whimsy, lots of color, which, whoo, boy, there's a lot of color in here. But I love it. I think it's turning out so cute. I still have lots of work to do in my kitchen, but I am going to show you where I'm going to put this wreath after. So all I've done so far is that I've attached the bow here, and it comes with these really long tails that are rolled up, and I am leaving them for right now because I'm going to unravel them when I put it up and see how far down I want my tails. And I'm making my wreath like this. You know, the lighting's crazy, right? Okay, let me angle the camera down and I'll show you what I'm going to do. Hopefully the lighting is pretty good, and I'm going to try and film this as best as possible. I've already attached the bow. You can see it there. This wreath form is from a few years ago from Walmart, and I know they still have them. So I'm just getting scissors, and my lighting is really crazy today. It's because the sun's going in and out. Okay, I have this little ornament that you can see here. It's a little gingerbread man. He's got a little tiny red scarf. He's adorable. He's 98 cents at Walmart. What I want to do is cut this part off because I don't need his hanger. And I want to see if I can get this out. Yeah, maybe. Okay, I'm just cutting I just cut the little piece off, and I think you can push this back in. Yeah, there we go. See, like that? Okay. So I'm going to hot glue him right here right at the base of the bow. That's my thinking, if you could see it there. But before I do that, I'm gonna use these picks. I wanna show you these picks. These are all from Hobby Lobby. All my picks actually are from Hobby Lobby. I have these giant lollipops, I would call them. And you're gonna see, because I'm gonna change the ribbon off of these. These are from Hobby Lobby also. I'm just gonna cut the little tags off. They were $3.99 with 50% off. And I really love these colors, because I also put them on the trees I made for my kitchen, and those are 3.5-foot trees, and I'll leave that video linked down below or at the end screen if you want to see that. So I want to start, I think I'm going to start with the little gingerbread guy and see where we go with this. And my hot glue seems to be good and hot now, so I'm just putting dabs of hot glue on the back of him, and I'm going to place him in here. Okay. And of course you can't see. There you go, like that. So I just placed him in there. He's at the base of the ribbon that I have already attached. Easy peasy, right? Okay. Then I'm going to take this pick, and I'm going to put it right into the wreath like this. It's going to go in here. I'm just going to secure it with some hot glue, I think. Actually, maybe not. Maybe I'll just tie it in the back. This is the best part of having these kind of wire ribbons, wire picks, because you can really attach them to the back of any wreath, because the wreath is also wired and the pick is wired. Okay, so far so good. I'm going to put another one up here on the top. Just spread it out, take the little tag off. I know, how many times have you guys seen a video like this? But I thought this is a candy kind of theme video, and I don't know how many people are doing candy themes this year, or Mrs. Claus theme, or that kind of sort of thing. So I got this one in here. Okay. So it's like the candies are coming out of the ribbon. That's what I want to show. I'm just playing with it. There, you can see it there. And I'm just going to attach it to the back here. Super, super easy. Really doesn't take much effort to do at all. You just wire it to the back. Okay, so we did that. So far so good. And there's a lot going on over here, but I want to put more little picks. Okay, so then I'm thinking these picks, these red and white berries, because they match my ribbon. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this pick coming out. I want it to look like it's like an extension of this, oh my, this pick here. So it's going to go that way. And then one on the top going that way also. Okay, so there you see it there. And of course I'm going to fluff this ribbon some more when I get it on. So I got my little gingerbread man. I got my picks on the top and the bottom. And now for the side, what I want to do is I want to lay these lollipops like this. Okay, one like that and one like this. If you can see here, it's got this like plastic hanger, and I don't like these ribbons, so I'm going to take these off, and they're just hot glued on anyways, so they're going to be really easy to take off like that. Okay, let me put the wreath to the side and show you what I'm going to do, if you can see. So I'm taking these ribbons off, and they're pretty easy to take off, because that's the beauty of hot glue. It's just so easy to take off. And I'm just cutting the tops. Okay, so I have this ribbon here. See this candy ribbon with the green and the white and the stripes? I think it's so cute. I want to make a ribbon for each one of these just to tie in the color that I have. And I'm making a simple ribbon. Oh, I have to make a longer tail. Hold on. Okay. I didn't think this up. Okay, so I just take my ribbon, I place my candy cane underneath, and I take my ribbon and I tie it. Super easy. And I'm just gonna make like a regular shoelace bow. I guess that's what you call it. So I tied it tight like that. I hope you can see. I just take this side, make a loop, this side, make a loop. And I don't want a very big ribbon. I don't want a very big bow, but I want it really, really tight. And now I'm just gonna play with it. So I think I got it the size I want. Now you just fluff it out, which is super easy. Like that. And then I'll show you. And if you can hear my dog barking in the background, I'm sorry. She's outside. Okay, there you go. Just like that. Now I'm going to cut this tail the same way on an angle. And this is the best part of wire ribbon. You see, this is the back of the ribbon. You just twist it. And now you have the front of the ribbon. And I just think this looks so cute. And it's going to tie in so much better with my candy theme, because there is some green on here on the thing. So I'm going to make the next ribbon on this one, and then we'll come back and we'll finish this off. Hey guys, I am just trying to place these the way I want them, and don't worry, I will show you this when it's all finished. I'm just trying to think which one I want, because I did make one of the bows a little lower, so it hangs down more like that. So I want it here, and then I want this one crossing. So I want it, but I want their lollipop stems to show, so like that. Okay, I think I got a good angle. So now what I'm gonna do, because this is gonna be hard to hot glue, I'm taking a piece of the wreath and I'm actually just twisting it around the lollipop so it sits flush like that. And I think that's good. Yeah, that's good. Okay, and then here's the other one. Hey, isn't that adorable? That's just the cutest. And I want it like this, so I want it sticking out. So now I'm gonna take another piece of the wire, the wreath form, and just twist that around like that. Ooh, that looks really cute actually. Okay, I'm just gonna take another piece from down here and secure it nice and tight. And we're done. Okay, let's place the wreath where we want it in my kitchen, and you will see why I'm doing this candy theme. I think it turned out so cute. Isn't that adorable? So cute, so adorable. So Mrs. Claus. Okay guys, so this is where I'm putting my wreath on the top of my stove in my kitchen. And when I was unraveling the bow, I didn't realize it had 4 tails. So I'm just gonna zhuzh them up and cut them. But I wanna show you the sign. This is my sign. I got this a few years ago at Michael's. And I just think the wreath came out so cute. Yes, I think it could use more pics, but I like to add things every year to my collection. So if I do a Mrs. Claus's Kitchen again next year, then I'll add way, way more to this. Maybe some more pics, maybe something else. Okay guys, so here it is, all done. I think it looks adorable up there. And it gives some color to my cabinets, because if you've been following along, you know I do not like these cabinets whatsoever. Anyways, I think it turned out really adorable. I would like more pics in it. Maybe I'll go back to Hobby Lobby and get some more. Okay guys, that is the end of my video. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please make sure to give it a big, big, big giant thumbs up. Go over and say hi to my sweet, sweet friends, Miss Kristi and Antoinette. I left their channels linked down below, so if you're interested, I would really like for you guys to go over and say hi to them. Girls, Kristi and Antoinette, I love you guys from the bottom of my heart. Thank you for letting me do this collab with you guys. Now, it is Friday, so what does that mean? Relaxing? Does it mean relaxing in Bella's world? No, ma'am. It means more decorating and more videos. That's right, more videos. So I'll see you guys on Monday. Have a fantastic, fantastic weekend. I love you. I love you. I love you from the bottom of my heart. To my little subscribers, you guys know what you mean to me. I love you, and I'll see you very soon. Bye, guys.